Are you looking to turn off Google Assistant on your Android device? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. Whether you don't want Google Assistant listening in or simply don't find the assistant useful, it's easy to disable. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll have Google Assistant turned off in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. So what you want to do first is open up the settings on your Android device. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Google. And it will show you all of the Google settings. So what you want to do next is scroll down and tap on the settings for Google Apps. And then tap on Search, Assistant, and Voice. When you get to this screen, select Google Assistant. After that, simply scroll down until you see an option called General. Once you find it, tap on it. And then you will see that the very first option is Google Assistant. So in order to turn off the Google Assistant on your Android device, simply toggle this off and it will show you a pop-up saying that when you turn this off, the Google Assistant will no longer respond when you say, "Hey Google." And also assistant features that help with your personal info, like ambient mode and snapshot, won't be available. Simply tap on Turn Off and that will disable Google Assistant on your Android device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.